This is like, what? Look at this. What? No, nobody's not even freak out about this. This is, they're like, it's okay. They're like, oh, they're okay with it. Even I don't know. I'm standing there and then next I see them do because I don't know if little kids watch my videos. I don't know. So I have to, even though I don't know if they do, but if they are, I have to be careful. You just stand there like, what's going on with these people? Give me a rattle, just a rattle. There you go. Bye bye. There you go. I'm being nice. I'm being friendly. Just give someone. And no offense, it's literally like they're doing air. Look at that. It's not even close. Just, girl. This is like a dude or something. And he just, it's the stomach. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lie. He's a level 7. Okay. I didn't know what's going on if he's a boy. I don't know. He probably is. But but um, but um, but I guess it's the. I just think this is kind of ridiculous. I'm even recording this and they do not know. Okay, I'm gonna be like, yo, what up, peeps? The girl, she's VIP. Cause I would get, okay, she's VIP. Ugh. I don't know why. Ooh. We have a cute boy here. Kind of. Oh, why did I say cute boy? He's in level 5. What the heck? Why some of the cute boys are like begin level 5? Oh, oh my god. I am in a higher level than her. Just like walk over to me. Okay. I just sorry for my laugh. Okay. If it's weird, I'm sorry. Can I help you? I'm gonna have to text and text this. Can I help you? Yeah, answer. Hello. Motherfucker. Sarah to YouTube. 9. 9. I give it a 9. It is a 1 to 10. You as well. Not main 10. 10 is too nice. Okay. Am I seriously having a conversation? Okay. Wait. Why does it even remind me of a friend of mine? Okay. I guess. Oh shoot, sorry for that. Okay, now he's just dancing. Okay. Oh, the boy left. Oh, what a shame. I was having a nice conversation. Yes, I know. I might got that wrong. Okay, hold on. Let's go somewhere you could actually see more better. Are you cheating on me? No, but is your mama gay? What the heck? Ah, thanks for friending me. That's cool, Jim. I just like right next to him. He's like, that's mine, I guess. Honey, everything hurts. I don't know what you're doing. Watch and love my movies called Teen Love. And guys, please put me in your movies, please. And I will put you in my movies. And my next video is probably gonna be tomorrow when I wake up or whatever. I don't know. It's gonna be react to you guys' movie. And then react to one of my old movies that I did a long time ago. See all the differences. Who I became. But like, yeah. This is. I'm not gonna lie, this is stupid. This is actually kind of stupid video. That's true. It does. Oh, he's back. Okay. Let me get him out of. I'm not gonna date him. I'm just gonna be nice and just keep at him. I'm trying to be nice and giving people Adol even though they're not my friends, but you know, still I want to be nice. Why is that guy is like, oh girl? Why is that girl is like wearing a bunny costume outfit? But here's the thing that she's not wearing a bunny head. Kind of like this girl hair, kind of. It's actually pretty, but I'm not gonna get it. But it's actually pretty. Oh, this girl's bad, but she's wearing clothes this time. Congratulations! Oh, and she have a boyfriend too. Whatever. Okay, this video is seriously starting to bore me out. So I'm just seriously no. I cannot go anywhere in this trap room right now. Conversational. No, they aren't my. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think I'm gonna end this video, but I'm gonna post it tomorrow because I'm tired. I wanna go to sleep. But bye. Oh, she's friending me. Let's go down. I can see what level she in. Okay. She's in level 8. That's fine. Just don't bother me. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Again, sorry. Bye, guys.